Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to chat on Bumble dating app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bumble application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the people interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Chatting on Bumble is very easy. All you have to do is tap on the chats icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the matches over here. What you have to do is simply tap on a match's profile photo to open the conversation. Right now I do not have any matches over here, but if you see the match, simply tap on it and you'll be able to send your first message. Keep in mind, for heterosexual matches, the woman must send the first message within 24 hours, though the man can extend this time. For same-sex matches, either person can send the first message. You can send messages, photos, gifts, etc. So like this, you'll be able to chat. So that is how you chat on Bumble dating app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.